So today we will unbox Logitech wireless keyboard. Okay, so let me just cut it out for you all. So here we have it. We have the Logitech K230 Logitech wireless keyboard. It comes with a reliable wireless receivers, control up to 6 devices and 24-month battery life, and a compact space saving layout. So as you can see, the enter button and these are the small buttons. So just let quickly unbox this and let's see what's inside the box. Here it is. So there is some packing done here. Let's get rid of this. Okay, here we have the keyboard, and these are very cool extensions that we can use here. We already get a white one and we have blue and pink. So yeah, that's what pretty much we have, and this is the keyboard. Let's put it aside for a second. And we have the Logitech import safety, compliance and warranty information. So yep, as always we will throw it off. And yeah, this is the cute little thing here, which is the wireless receiver. So yeah, as mentioned here, is it is the one that supports up to 6 devices. So if you have any one of the devices, you anyway get it for free with all the devices. And this is something which we can't understand, it's some other language. So let's check if anything else is left here. Nope. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's put the box away from us and let's get into the keyboard. So it's quite a very good keyboard and a very small one. So they already say that this is 36% smaller than existing keyboards. So here we have the arrow which mentions that we have a battery. They are trying to save the battery here so that while packaging it is not getting consumed. So we might be having some, yeah, let's get off. Yeah, so when you pull this off, the keyboard actually starts, and let's get rid of it. Yeah, so it is not it comes out like this. Okay, so we have 2 batteries here, and yeah, this is something technical. So yeah, and we have 2 batteries that are inbuilt, and there is a switch of on and off. So here we can see this is the on and off switch, so you can put it off or on anytime you want. And for now I like the blue case, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this case off here, and we will test this with my laptop. So yeah, let's do a test with the laptop. So as we can pretty much see that we can type here my test keyboard. So yeah, this is perfectly working. And just another thing that I want to add is you know, these are the little stands which come with this, and yeah, it is pretty much handy and very lightweight to carry. So yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Please leave your comments in the comment section, and like the video if you like this unboxing, and pretty much more to come. So thanks everyone for watching.